Maybe someday.
You stupid.
Huh?
Oh my god!
No.
Huh?
No.
What?
Try asking again. Yes.
I don't know.
Huh?
Hi, I'm Amanda.
And I'm Wooly.
Yo, what's up?
Huh?
Today we're going to make an apple pie. First, we need to cut the apples. Do you know what we can use to cut the apples?
I don't know.
Huh? Huh?
Good job! We can use a sharp knife. Let's cut the apple. We just need some sugar. Do you know where we keep the sugar?
Huh?
Great! Let's make a pie! Can you smell the apples and cinnamon? Okay, it's time to bake a pie. First, preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Then, put the apples into the pie tin. Now, put it in the oven and bake it for 40 minutes. Our pie is ready! I can't wait to eat it! Willie, let's have some pie. What? Nice!
Easy!
Huh?
Today, I want to send something special to my friend. First, I need to go to the store to buy them a card. Do you know where the store is?
Easy! What? What? Okay.
Good job! Let's go to the store. Let's pick out a card. My friend, something bad happened. What kind of card should I send them?
Huh?
Tips gawah kuncup, tangkap laut di jarinya. Kalau dia berteriak lepas bebaskan dia. Ibu bilang untuk membeli yang terbaik dan kaulah orangnya.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you sure that's right? I
It
don't.
looks like it. I bet your friend is really going to love this card.
My friend is. My friend. Let's get them some nice candy. Do you know where the candy store is?
Huh?
Great! Why did you do that? Now I can't find the candy store. I don't know where to go. Can you help me? Don't do that!
No.
I said I don't want to go in there! No! Why can't I stop it?
Huh?
Huh? I don't know.
Helikopter.
Oh, it's you. Whatever you do, don't... Amanda, I feel, Help me! Please!
I can do this by myself. No way!
Hey, what happened?
Hi, I'm Amanda.
I don't know.
When you're friends, you can share all kinds of things with each other. Friends can share other things too. They can share secrets. Can I share a secret with you?
Huh?
Yes.
I'm out there. Somewhere.
Viewers, don't vote the video because it's not canon, and anyway, happy December Fools lol. Okay, see you in the next year.